everybody, my name's Elizabeth and I'm with Country Peony, and welcome back to the Country Peony studio. So summer is right around the corner, and I don't know if you're anything like me, but I'm truly craving a slower summer. And so today I thought it'd be really fun to showcase 5 of my favorite cozy crafts that are perfect for this time of the year. And the beauty with them is you can do them in a lazy morning, at a really calming afternoon, or even in the evening when you're watching a really great movie. So let me show you my 5 favorite crafts, as well as some fun ways to get you started with them. First up is Punch Needle Embroidery. This is such a fun one, and it is having such a moment. So Punch Needle Embroidery is basically like painting with yarn, and it's easier than it looks. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a tool and you're going to attach yarn to it. And you're going to take that punching tool and you're going to insert it into a piece of fabric or Aida cloth, and it creates this beautiful design. So there are great beginner-friendly kits out there, as well as beginner-friendly tutorials. I personally have a couple that I'm going to link below in the description if you want to get started on your own punch needle embroidery. Okay, next up is one of my all-time favorites, and it's needle felting. I love needle felting so much because for me it is super therapeutic. So basically you take wool and you use a barbed wire, you pierce the wool with the barbed wire, and then you can create all these incredible things. Anything from flowers to animals to even art. So this is such a fun one to get started with, and I actually love it so much because I have a course just for beginners. And if you look in the description below, I have a special code for you so you can start it whenever you want. And it's such a beautiful way to spend an afternoon. Next up on the list is embroidery. So embroidery is amazing. I love it for summertime because it's super relaxing, but it's also portable. So you can take it on your summer vacations, you can take it when you're watching your kids in the pool, you can basically take it wherever you want. You just put it in a really cute little tote and you're ready to go. So I'm actually personally working on a cross-stitch piece that my grandmother started years ago, and I'm having so much fun with it. If you want to know more, I've got a blog post below that highlights some fun techniques with embroidery. Next up is another one of my favorites. It is Pom Poms. So I love Pom Poms because they're so happy, they're so cheerful, and they're so easy to make. The beauty with Pom Poms is that you can actually make these with your kids this summer or your grandkids, or you can make them while you're enjoying your favorite show. It's a super therapeutic craft that really produces a beautiful result. And the best part about Pom Poms is that you can add them to basically anything and it makes every situation better. So I love adding mine to wreaths, I love making them into keychains, I love turning them into jewelry. Really, the possibilities are endless. And I love Pom Pom Making so much that I actually wrote an ebook about it. You can see all the details in the description below, and I've also got some really helpful blog posts that you can check out to get started on your Pom Pom journey. And last but not least are Fabric Yo-Yos. I love Fabric Yo-Yos because they remind me of my grandmother, and they're so fun to make. This is another fun one because it's portable. I love bringing my kit to the pool when my kids are swimming. But basically, you take a scrap of fabric and you can use a tool, or you don't have to use a tool, and you create this adorable little like fabric puff. I recently created a creative workshop showcasing how to make a fabric yo-yo with a tool and without a tool. And so this is just a really fun one to try this summer. You can check out the description below for all the details. Thank you so much for following along. I hope this video was helpful, and hopefully it did inspire you to want to start some new crafts this summer. I would love to know in the comments below which crafts you want to pick up this summer or what you are doing this summer. Either way, I hope you have fun along the way. And if you want more cozy crafts and creative inspiration, please join me here on YouTube and also at countrypeony.com. I would love to have you there. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.